How to use Truegold to update building in Kingshot. First, reach the Truegold stage. Truegold building upgrades become available after your town center reaches level 30 and your kingdom enters the age of Truegold. Step 2. Open the building you want to upgrade. Tap an eligible building such as the town center, embassy, command center, infirmary, barracks, range or stable. Step 3. Tap upgrade. The upgrade screen shows the required normal resources and Truegold. Truegold is used for the stages beyond level 30. Step 4. Check the Truegold requirement. Check that you have enough for Truegold. Each Truegold tier has 5 upgrade stages, so you don't necessarily jump straight from level 30 to the completed TG level. Then step 5. Start the upgrade. Once you have the resources, tap the upgrade or construction button and the building begins upgrading. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.